Hello students of 10th standard, we have started the lesson that is nothing but lesson number 7, Introduction to Microbiology. In that, today we are going to see about the xanthan gum. See, what is xanthan gum that imparts thickness to your favorite ice cream, puddings, chocolates, milkshake, chocolate drinks, instant soup. So all these contains the you can say xanthan gum. The gum is obtained by fermentation of starch and molasses with the help of Xanthomonas species. So what it is done, see here, to get the you can say xanthan gum, what it is done, the fermentation of the starch and molasses is done with the help of the you can say Xanthomonas species. It is variously useful to the properties like solubility of hot and cold water. It is why it is used, because it has the property of solubility in hot and cold water, high density. It is used for production of pigments, fertilizers, weedicides, textile pigments. Then again toothpaste, high quality papers it is used. Then see next page, and whenever you are going to see that are nothing but the see there antibiotics. Then see antibiotics. Many diseases of humans and other animals have been controlled due to the antibiotics which are obtained by the different types of bacteria and fungi. The different types of bacteria and fungi are causing the you can say diseases, but there are you can say some bacteria and fungi which are useful for making the antibiotics. Antibiotics like penicillin, cephalosporins, then monobacterium, then again bactricin, then erythromycin, gentamicin, neomycin, streptomycin, tetracycline, vancomycin, these all are used against the strains of the you can say gram positive or you can say gram positive or gram negative bacteria it is used. Then see rifamycin is one of the effective against the you can say tuberculosis. See there. What are the different materials that are decomposed in the biogas plant? In biogas plant, the excreta of the animals is used. Then again excreta of the human beings is used. Then again leftovers of the trees, that is nothing but leaves or barks of trees are used. Then see the you can say fallen fruits or you can say fallen leaves. All these are used. Which useful material are obtained through it? Which is the fuel out of this? So the fuel whichever we get from this is nothing but a biogas. Decomposition occurs through which organisms? This decomposition occurs through an particular organisms. Then see microbes and fuels. Gaseous fuel methane can be obtained by the you can say microbial anaerobic decomposition of the urban agricultural and industrial waste. Then see ethanol, an alcohol, is a clean smokeless fuel. Whenever you consider ethanol, it is one of the you can say smokeless fuel which is obtained through the fermentation of the molasses. This is obtained due to the fermentation of the molasses by yeast Saccharomyces. Here the yeast Saccharomyces is used. Hydrogen gas is considered to be the fuel of the future. Whenever you consider the hydrogen gas, it is considered as the fuel of the future. Hydrogen gas is released, whenever you see hydrogen gas is released during biophotolysis of water in which bacteria perform the photoreduction. Similar to you can say fuels, various industrial chemicals are produced through the microbial processes. Whenever you consider the industrial processes or industrial chemicals, these are produced due to the you can say microbial processes. various alcohols, acetone, organic acids, fatty acids, polysaccharides, that all these raw material which are useful as a raw material, they are used in you can say chemical industries. Some of these are useful as a raw materials for plastic and food products also. Observe the figure 7.7. Discuss about the you can say biofuel. Now we are going to see biofuel. Biofuel is one of the important thing among the you can say renewable sources. These are nothing but the renewable sources of the good energy. You can obtain a good energy from this. These fuels are available in you can say in solid. For example, you can say coal, dung, crop residue, liquid as vegetable oil, or you can say alcohol, gaseous as gobar gas, or you can say coal gas forms. These fuels are easily available and plenty in quantity. Whenever you consider the production of this you can say fuels, it is much more in quantity. So these are reliable fuel for the future. Next comes the you can say microbial pollution control. There are you can say solid waste, sewage and various you can say pollutants are increasing with the increase in the pollution. So what nowadays we are seeing, there are you can say various pollutions and the amount of the pollution has been also increased. Along with it, ever increasing diseases and degradation of environment are more worldwide problems. Now the world is facing also the problems of the you can say pollutions, environmental pollutions, and also the degradation of the environment, and also the diseases in the you can say world are also increasing, especially cities densely populated. Whenever you see the cities densely populated countries like you can say India are affected with this problem. Mostly the India is affected by these problems. Life of the future generation will be difficult if these problems are not solved at right time and right extent. Then what will happen? It will create a problem. Let us see the role of the microbes in the environment. So we are going to see the role of the microbe in the environment. See that already we know that the microbes are having its you can say great role whenever there is a disposal of the solid waste through the biogas plant and compost production is done due to the you can say microbes. How urban waste that is accumulated in terms of a tons may be disposed of. So how it is disposed? What is done? They do the gobar gas of that one and they dispose all the waste into it. Why it is asked to segregate the wet and dry waste in each of the following house? Because with the wet waste we can do the you can say compost, and dry waste we can recycle it, we can reuse it. Then see which is done with the segregated, what is done with the segregated waste? Both of them, they are again reused. Then see which is most appropriate method of disposal of dry waste. What is the you can see, you can recycle it or you can reuse it. That is the one of the you can say method by which you can dispose of the dry waste. Landfilling site, great you can say great waste being accumulated in the urban areas is used for this purpose. Whenever landfilling area is there, so what happens? See there, degradable waste which is formed or which is accumulated in these urban areas is used for this purpose. Then see, large pits are dug in open spaces. What is done here? Large pits are done in the open spaces far away from the residential area, and this area is far away from the you can say residential area, and these pits are lined with the plastic sheet whenever you see these pits are covered with the plastic sheets, as it is as a precaution against the pollution of a soil due to the leaching of a toxic and harmful material. See what it is done. Here the sheets are put on, or it is one of the, you can say, precaution taken for the pollution of the, you can say, soil due to the leaching of the, you can say, toxic and harmful materials. Then see, compressed waste is dumped into the pit. Afterwards the compressed waste is dipped into the pit. It is covered with a layer of a, you can say, soil, sawdust, leafy waste and specific biochemicals. Now this plastic sheet, it is covered with the, you can say, layer of a soil, sawdust, then again leafy waste and specific biochemicals. Bioreactors are mixed at some places. There are some places where the bioreactors are mixed. Microbes present in soil and other top layers decompose the waste. Whenever you see the microbes whichever are present in that, they decompose the waste. Completely filled pit is sealed with soil slurry. Whenever you see this pit is, you can say, covered with a soil slurry. Best quality compost is formed after few days. Whenever you see the best quality of a compost is formed after few days. Such land filling sites can be reused after removal of a compost. These land sites can be used after the, you can say, removal of the compost.